Hey guys, Jason Geiman here, and with PressureWashTraining.com. So today I had the question come in, and they were asking, where should I mount my hose reels? And I want to kind of go over where we mount them and why. So we mount them on the passenger side, which is the right side of the vehicle. And here is the reason why we mount those there. We mount them on the right side of the vehicle because when we pull up to houses, we always pull in, we never pull in the driveway unless we absolutely have to. If you pull in the driveway, you got chances of tearing up the yard, your truck leaking chemical on the driveway and messing it up, your truck leaking oil on the truck, messing it up, your engine blowing up and messing it up. So that's why we don't park on the driveway. We always park on the curb side of the house. Now, that's not to say if we're on a busy road or the driveway is super long, then obviously we're going to park in the driveway. But I'm going to say 80% to 85% of the time, we always park on the road. And so with that being said, we want our hose reels to be on the right side of the vehicle so that way we can pull just shy of the house or just past the house. We can walk our hose straight out and back, and that way it makes it easy for us to be able to clean a house with it on the right side. And the bonus part of it is, um, you know, if you do a lot of flat work, like a lot of concrete cleaning at like shopping centers, then you might want to think about putting them off to the back of the truck. But we don't have routes or nothing like that. We do mostly residential. Even if we do commercial, the commercial side of things is we do apartment complexes and all that kind of stuff. So we always park on, in front of the house and run that hose out and back, and so that way we don't damage the customers, their driveway or anything like that. Also, the good part about putting them on this side is a safety factor. If somebody was to happen, if you're in the back of it and you're trying to wrap up all this hose, and you either got to come in on a corner or something like that, or if if you're parked out on the road and a car comes down the road and is not paying attention and drives in the back of your vehicle, it's also a safety factor that you don't have an employee or yourself in line of getting hit. That is why we put our hose reels on the right side of the vehicle. Whether it's a truck or a trailer, either way, I always mount them on the right side. So that way, like I say, it's a safety issue. If you would like to learn how to do pressure washing tips and that kind of stuff, please check out this video up here. If you would like to learn Christmas lights, which is a great business in the wintertime, check out this video down here. Thank you. I hope you have a successful business and you do amazing sales this year. Thank you and have a great day.